Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your 1099-R with TurboTax. So first, you may want to head over to TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now we're just going to click any button from our progress bar. And next from our dashboard in the left panel, click on Federal, then click on Wages and Income. And from here, we're just going to scroll down until we get to retirement plans and social security. So as you can see, 1099-R is included in this section. So we're just going to click on it. Then look for IRA 401k and pension plan withdrawals or the 1099-R form. And from here, we're just going to click on the start button. From here then on, we're just going to answer all the on-screen prompts that is being asked. So choose if it's your first time getting a 1099-R or have more than one or anything that is applicable in your situation. Then click on continue. So we're just going to proceed answering all the on-screen prompts. Now you will be asked to import your tax information. So just select your financial institution or search for it, or you can also change how you enter the form. Now you have three ways to upload your 1099-R. You can bring it over from the bank, upload it from your computer if you have the PDF, JPG, or PNG file, or you can also snap a photo with your phone if you want to use a QR code. And lastly, you can also just type it in by yourself. And lastly, of course, if you're gonna type it in for yourself or by yourself, you're going to need to add or fill in extra details and information about your 1099-R. So answer everything correctly and accurately until you get to the end of the form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!